Welcome to my channel Online Classes Niyaz. Today's topic is English very common mistake. When we speaking, we will do silly mistake in English. You want to know that? What is the silly mistake? Before that, like, share, subscribe. What is the very common mistake done by us while speaking English to someone? First one, you will check. How do we call it? How do we call it? It is wrong. What is the correct? You will check. What do we call it? How do we call it? It is wrong. Correct is what do we call it? Second, you can try it more. You can try it more. It is wrong. Second, you can try a few times. See, you can try a few times. We will check that one more time. You can try it more. This is wrong. You can try it more. That is wrong. See, you can try a few times. You can try a few times. Third, how was you sleeping? See, how was you sleeping? This is wrong. See answer. Did you have a good sleep? Did you have a good sleep? How was you sleeping? This is wrong. Did you have a good sleep? See, fourth one. How are you this week? How are you this week? Answer is, how have you been this week? Been. How have you been this week? Last one. I will go out after the dinner. I will go out after the dinner. Answer is, I will go out after dinner. The will not come here. I will give some more examples. 10 examples I will give. Sixth one. I have a good news. I have a good news. Answer is, I have good news. Here A is not there. So, I have good news. This is correct. This is wrong. Seventh one. He cannot read and write. He cannot read and write. Answer is, he cannot read or write. Here and is there. Here or is there. See, he cannot read and write. He cannot read or write. Eighth one. I studied in USA. I studied in USA. Answer. I studied in the USA. Here the is not there. Here the is there. See. I study in USA. I study in the USA. Ninth one. It is a high pay job. It is a high pay job. Answer is, it is a high paying job. Paying. Here pay is there. Here paying is there. See. It is a high pay job. It is a high paying job. Last one. 10th one. Who cooked this salad? Who cooked this salad? Answer is, who made this salad? Here cooked is there. Here made. See. Observe. Who cooked this salad? Who made this salad? I hope very common mistake you understand. Thank you. You understand today's topic. Very common mistake. See, I hope this all you understand. 10 examples. For my new videos, like my channel, share and also subscribe.